Hi there! Today I'll show you how to assemble this fun Valentine's Day box card. If you've already cut out your pieces, you're ready to go. Plus, don't forget, the included PDF menu has this handy diagram showing where the pieces go on the inserts. Let's get started.
So I went ahead and decorated mine the same way that you see in your PDF. So I've got the main body of the box card here, and I went ahead and glued my panels on, and this white heart panels and this little drawer type of thing, as well as the XOXO. And then on the inside, it's kind of hard to see, but there's two pieces. These hearts are just kind of duplicated on there and glued again, so it's not flimsy. The next thing we want to do is put some glue on the side tab there and close it up. Nice and easy. The cool thing about the box cards is they look so impressive when you're done with them, but they're actually really easy to put together. So the first thing I want to do is take insert number 1 and fold those tabs towards me and put some glue on them. And I want the top of the tab to be flush with this little straight line here. And the front of the tab is flush with the front of the box. Make sure it's gonna fold flat. And then this insert looks a little bit different because of the shape of the box card. And I'm gonna fold these tabs towards me and put some glue on them. And I want this top area here to be flush with the top. And then on the inside, I want the front of that long tab to be flush with the piece in front of it. More or less. Close enough is good. As long as it folds flat, you're good to go. So there we go. And then piece number 3, the tabs are folded away from me, and once I've got some glue on them, I can carefully slide that inside and pop that into place. So as usual, the back of the tabs is flush with the back of the box, and it's more or less flush there, those two straight lines. Folds flat, and we're all set.
Here's how to make the envelope for your card. First, rotate your shape 45 degrees counterclockwise. Fold the sides in. Then, fold the bottom up and attach it to the side flaps. Insert your card, then fold the top flap down and secure it. That's it, your envelope is ready.